Alright, boys and girls, hard to believe that is the same radio. It's just come out of the wash. It's actually still a little bit wet. It has been totally washed. But now you can see the faceplate's nice and clean. It's actually got a gold top like a Les Paul, for those of you guitar fans. It's got a gold chassis, yeah. And it's going to need 4 or 5 days to dry out. But of course, during that 4 or 5 days, I'm going to be doing a lot of other restoration on the thing, and it'll dry out in its own time. I also have a box that I put it in and warm it up inside with a 100-watt lamp that just keeps it at about 40 degrees, 45 degrees Celsius, and it'll dry out. But now look at that tuning capacitor. It's nice and clean. It's going to work nicely again. No scratchiness, no intermittentness, no fluff in between. That sounds like sounds like a speaker that's scratching, but it's not. It's actually just the movement of this thing on the board here. But yep, she's clean again. Be a little bit of fine tuning in the cleaning up, but mostly it's clean. And that's looking good. I'm pleased. To get a look at the underside. Let's lift this up there. I can show you the underside as well. Sorry, just a sec. There's the underside. Again, nice and clean. All the bad parts nicely visible. Lots of components to replace. Especially that big bad boy over there. You'll be surprised when you see the size of capacitor, the modern capacitor that goes in there to take its place. It's a joke. But lots of capacitors need replacing. Oh yeah, now I can see really nicely how we got one. Let's start up top here. 1. It might be okay, but we'll replace you. 2, 3, 4, 5. What have we got down there? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Easily 20, about 24, 25 capacitors to be replaced. Here's a wire off over here. Must have belonged to the volume or something. You see, it got chopped off. Wonder what that was about. But I have a schematic. I'll buzz that out. But now the volume pot's looking clean again inside there. So that's cool. Looks like it had a bit of a mishap because that's not normally broken. Interesting. Very interesting. That entire assembly is kaput. Wonder what I could do about that. We'll see. Okay. Enough said. Let the drying out begin and let the radio work again.